Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Got a very special offer for you. How would you like me to coach you week by week and month by month, showing you how I start, grow, and scale affiliate marketing campaigns from complete scratch? Let me show you that I practice what I preach. This is a merchant account here that I've got access to. Of course, this is my personal merchant account. And if I go ahead and click on the refresh button, you can see no shenanigans here, as I like to say. $1.2 million in this one account due to affiliate marketing. And not just low ticket affiliate marketing, but also high ticket affiliate marketing. I love focusing on high ticket products because you can do the same amount of work and make 10x the income. Check this account out. Yet another $18,842 that I've been paid out. Another account, $38,273.50. The good old Clickbank account, 2019, we did $22,363. In 2020, we've done $21,553. Yet another account, over $362,600. And then another account, $41,100. You guys get the idea. Another account here, $34,311.41. So how would you like me to show you exactly how I generate successful affiliate campaigns just like this from complete scratch, week by week and month by month? Well, I want to give you the opportunity to test this out for yourself. It's going to be $1, and you'll have the chance to meet with me for the next 2 weeks for just simply $1, where I'm going to jump on a live call and show you exactly what I do step by step to build these successful campaigns. And if after 14 days, you like what you're seeing, you want to continue with the membership, you'll just be billed $47 per month. If you don't like the membership, you can simply cancel with a click of a button and you will never be charged ever again. In conjunction with the live training every single week, you'll also get access to a private Facebook group where you can mastermind with other members. And from time to time, I'll offer some goodies and some bonuses to these private members, even extra training calls. So if you like the idea of this and you want to get access to this private weekly training, then go ahead, click the link below for $1. Go ahead, try it out. If you like it, great. If you don't, that's completely fine too. But I think you're really going to love what you're about to get access to. This is my over 7 years of success in the industry boiled down in these weekly calls, giving you the help that you need. Not only am I going to do some training, but we'll also have Q&A at the end of these calls to really answer any questions that you have to ensure that everybody gets the help that they need. Okay, if you like the idea of this, you want to jump on board, you want to see how I create 6 and even 7-figure affiliate campaigns from complete scratch, then go ahead, click the link below, start the $1 trial, and I look forward to seeing you on our first call.